In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft to-do lists and tasks effectively. Let's begin by opening the Microsoft To-Do app from your Start menu. If you haven't already, make sure you've downloaded it from the Microsoft Store. Alternatively, if you're not on a Windows device or prefer using a web browser, you can access it online at todo.microsoft.com. Sign in using your Microsoft account, which you might already use for Outlook, OneDrive, or other Microsoft services. Click Sign In and enter your Microsoft account, email and password to get started. Now that you're logged in, let's explore how you can make the most of Microsoft To Do. The app allows you to add tasks, organize them into lists, and assign due dates and levels of importance to help keep everything on track. To add a task, simply click on the plus button at the top. Start typing your task and press enter to save it. It's as simple as that. Next, organizing your tasks effectively is crucial for a productive workflow. You can create lists to group similar tasks together. Perhaps you want a list for work-related items, another for personal errands, and so forth. These lists can be further organized into groups, which help you categorize them even more intuitively. And if there are tasks that you want to prioritize for the day, you can add them to My Day for a focused approach. Let's add some more details to the tasks for better clarity. Click on a task to expand it, and you'll be able to enter subtasks, which break down your main task into manageable steps. Additionally, you can assign importance to a task, set due dates, or add helpful notes and files, ensuring all the relevant information is right where you need it. Moving tasks between lists is effortless. If you need to relocate tasks, just hold down the Shift key and click on the tasks you wish to move. Right-click to open the menu, select Move Tasks To, and choose the desired list. This feature makes it super easy to rearrange tasks as your priorities shift. Finally, there might be occasions when you need to delegate tasks. To assign a task to someone else, open the Tasks Detail view. You'll find an option called Assign To. When you click it, select the person you want to assign the task to. Perfect for collaboration, especially if you're working on a project with others. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to use Microsoft to-do lists and tasks. It's designed to help you stay organized and efficient, whether you're planning your week or managing team projects. Try these tips and watch your productivity soar to new heights.